Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Snapchat Snapchat's public profile not working. To know how to fix or how to solve Snapchat's public profile not working, you should just go to settings, then we click apps, default apps, app settings. After that, in this list you will enter to this window of Snapchat, and you will go here. When you'll find this page of app info, you will enter to first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to storage. Here in this page, you will click clear cache. And in the end, you can turn off your Wi-Fi. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for watching.